Welcome back to Fast Takes. If you have a 1967 and 1972 Chevy C10 and your door handles are starting to give you some problems, whether it being the button sticking or the coating starting to pit, well, go ahead and check out these door handles that we offer on our website. These are a CJ Classic door handle, and these are going to be basically an OEM replacement. Now, the door handles themselves aren't OEM, but they're an OE style door handle, so they'll look almost the exact same as the factory door handles that came on your 67 to 72 Chevy C10.